Let's do these 3 examples to learn how to change a mixed number into an improper fraction. Here's an example written out for you. We have the mixed number 5 2/3. To turn it into an improper fraction, we just multiply the whole number 5 by the denominator 3 to get 15, and then add that to the numerator. Then our answer is 17/3. Let's try that in this first problem, the mixed number 4 1/2. We know that there are a total of 8 halves in the whole number 4, because 4 times 2 is 8. Once we get that number, just like we did in the first example, we just need to add it to the numerator. So 8 plus 1. That's going to give us our answer of 9/2. Again, just multiply the whole number by the denominator. In this case, that was 8. Then we add that to the numerator, and 8 plus 1 is 9, so our answer is 9/2. Problem 2 is 6 3/5. How many fifths are in 6? Well, to answer that question, we just multiply 6 times 5. That gives us 30, whole number multiplied by the denominator. Then we need to add that to the numerator. That's going to give us 33, because 30 plus 3 is 33. And that's our final answer, 33 divided by 5, or 33/5. Last problem, 3 5/8. How many eighths are in 3 wholes? To answer that question, we multiply 3 by 8, and that's 24. So we need to add 24 to the numerator of 5. 24 plus 5 is 29, and so our answer is 29/8. Here are 3 more examples for you to try on your own. Turn them all into improper fractions. Here are the answers. There the answers are in green. Let me know if you have any questions, and check the description for links to other pre-algebra lessons. Thanks for watching.